Good morning. Starting off this Thursday, I wrote my list of things to do. I have to run to the post office, drop a couple orders off, and then just do a couple random errands, and then we will be back. I need to stamp the soaps that I cut yesterday. They're still a little bit soft, so I'm not positive if I'm going to be able to stamp them, but I certainly will try. We have to rearrange my workspace. I just need to go through everything. I have to make a big list of stuff to order. I have been ordering. Usually December is a huge month for me to order. I tend to go through a lot more in December, obviously with the holiday, but I try to get everything in for the end of the year. You know what I mean? So I do like one big, huge, or a couple of big, huge orders in December. But I've had a lot of small orders lately on things that I need. So I want to try to just wrap it up instead of ordering from here and there, smaller orders. I want to try to get it into one big order just to kind of save on shipping, or use like a specific discount code if you spend over a certain amount, that type of thing. So let's head to the post office and then we'll come back and get started. All right, so I need more of these 4x6 cards that I use with my gift sets, but Michael's unfortunately doesn't have any more of this size. They only do in yellow, and yellow is just not going to do it for me. So I bought some 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I'm just going to cut them up. I'll get 2 per sheet, just so I have something in the meantime. In the next week or two, I can stop back and see if they have the right size for me. And there we have it, exact same size. So I'll do a couple of these and get on to the next thing. All right, so I ended up making up some body mists today. I ended up just doing one of every scent in my core line just to try them out, see how I like the smell. I did 1% for all of them, and they're all essential oil based. So I did Luscious Lemon, Rainforest, Lavish Spa, Fresh and Clean, Simply Lavender, and Sinfully Aligned. And try them out for the next couple weeks just to make sure I'm happy with them before I add them into the spring collection. All right, so I have actually been testing those body mists for the last week or so. Definitely know what I do and don't like. I've changed the percentages up on some of them a little bit, but I did finish the packaging, so I haven't really like produced them more or less for the spring line, but this is what they look like. They're little 4-ounce containers. They're 4.5 ounces full, and this is what they look like. And this can be used as a room spray as well. You can use it as a body spray, and it does not stain clothing, so you can put it right over clothing and use as like a perfume. So this is what they look like. I'm really happy with the packaging. I like that it's nice and small. I was going to go with a larger one, but I think these are like quick add-ons, like if you're at the market or something. I'm gonna price them for $5 or $6. I'm still working that out, figuring out what the best price point is. But they're just so nice and small. You can throw them in your purse. They don't leak from here. I've been testing the spritzer out, and the mist on these is amazing. It's perfect. It doesn't like shoot out. It's nice and airy when it sprays. So that's what they look like. Okay, so I ended up buying a 1-year calendar that you can write on and erase. I have pretty much booked up my entire year with markets. As of the end of February, I'm fully booked out until October, so I just need to worry about November and December. There's only 2 markets that I think I want to do in that time frame that I did this year that I really liked. So I overbooked myself a little bit. But the summer is when I really struggle for consistent sales, so I think that doing these markets really help out in the long run. So we have these little stickies, and then I'll just add in, you know, my own personal stuff. But I really like these little stickies. I like that it's dry erase, so I can move stuff around, re-stick them on. Really happy with it. I organized my little studio space. Everything looks nice and clean. And I'm happy with the outcome.